Hey guys, welcome to this iOS setting guide, and here I'll detail how to delete dynamic wallpaper in iOS 18. So if you already set your dynamic wallpaper as your iPhone wallpaper on your iOS 18 device, and now you want to delete the dynamic wallpaper or you want to remove it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now when you want to delete or remove dynamic wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is swipe down on the speaker or your dynamic alarm depending on your iPhone, or better still just press the side button, then unlock your iPhone with your Face ID. Once your iPhone is unlocked with Face ID, then press and hold the screen. Here you have access to all the wallpapers you have on your iPhone. This includes the dynamic wallpaper and all other wallpapers. So if you want to just change the wallpaper, just come here and select another wallpaper you want to change to. But to delete the wallpaper, just press and hold it again. Locate the iOS 18 dynamic wallpaper you want to delete, swipe up, and then hit the delete button. You should see a pop that says delete this wallpaper. Just go ahead and click on delete this wallpaper. Then repeat this on all other iOS 18 dynamic wallpaper you want to delete. Then once you discover that you are done deleting all the iOS 18 dynamic wallpaper, then go ahead and select from existing wallpapers you have on your iPhone and then set it as your wallpaper, or better still, come here and click on add new wallpaper to set up a new wallpaper. And then you are good to go. You see that? So that is basically how to delete iOS 18 dynamic wallpaper in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.